Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to calculate rank in Excel. You can calculate rank, employee sales. You can calculate rank, student percentage, voice, and in Excel. So let's start with the video. Before you going to start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So here we go. This is my Excel sheet, and I have here like employee and sales as per employee, and here I'm going to calculate the rank. So we have to use the rank formula to calculate highest and lowest rank with a particular value or sales. So here you have to use the formula like click the equal sign and type rank, open the bracket, and you have to select the cell and just do comma. And here first we select the numbers, first reference number. Now we have to select the reference value in which with which value you are going to we need to uh, uh, we need to take the we need to calculate the range. So here in this case the reference is all values. So select the all sales or value, and now you have to enter the comma. And here you can select the descending and ascending option. If you select the descending, the descending, that case the number rank will be go from 1 to 0, or in ascending option the rank will be go from bottom 1 to up 0. So in this case I'm just selecting descending and just uh, complete the column and enter. And if I want to copy this formula to another row, so you can see the error has been come here, and it show that the formula is still referring to range has addition number. Okay, adjust it to it. And when I go to the first formula which I enter and enter the F2, so you can see the rank or section has selected perfectly. But when I try to see another formula which I copied, just enter the just tap the F2 and see, and you can see the first selection was correct. But when I this is the reference value is shifted to down. So here we need to made some changes, like we need to fix or log this cell with the first formula into first formula. So first we have to edit the first formula, like we select first the reference number and then we select the reference all value. So this cell should be locked, or you can pin it, so it will be, it won't change. So for pin you have to click between the this cell number and type F4, and dollar sign will become, and you can do same with this another cell, from starting cell to end cell. Okay, so if F4 not working for you, then you can type Fn and F4. Some keyboard doesn't support only F4. So if you doesn't support the if your keyboard doesn't support F4, so you can type Fn and F4. Okay, I just type and show you Fn and F4. Okay, so now you can see the dollar sign has come and the formula has been locked now. And when you copy to another cell, you can see all the errors doesn't come, and it show perfect number like 654, one number rank 1, and minimum is a 6, 1 2 3. And you if you want to see this formula, you can see this the sales selection is perfect now. So that is how you can calculate rank in Excel. Any sales rank or any student score rank you can calculate. So I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for